You're broke, right? Just like me? If yes, drop a heart emoji in the comments and I'll hug your heart with this emoji. Okay, listen up. You want to live your dream life, buy your dream car, a luxury mansion, live happy, and maybe even more than that. Damn, I want that too. We're the same. Yeah, we are. We're not lazy. We're just tired of fake promises and hustle culture lies.
Is he trying to engage us?
Of course he is. Our attention span is basically TikTok-sized today.
Shut up.
and our
I don't want
dopamine is
science.
at
Just
4.
play the video, please.
Okay, here's the deal. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest method ever to start making money online. Nobody's talking about it, not because it's a scam, but because it's too new. Like, I got here first new. If you start now, there's literally no chance you'll fail unless you forget your password. Then I can't help you. So without wasting your scroll power, let's jump in. This is Whop, a platform where you can manage a bunch of things all at once and earn a lot of at once. Now the million-dollar question, what is Whop? Let me answer. Whop is a social commerce platform. Yeah, fancy words. But in simple terms, you can sell anything digital here. Your private courses, community memberships, study notes, AI tools, fitness programs. Heck, even your football betting predictions, if they don't lose. But in this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest method ever to make money online. Now let's visit Whop, if they don't reject my visa, of course. Get started, open your Chrome browser, search for whop.com. You'll land on the homepage, you'll see two options. Sign up and log in. If you already have an account, log in. If not, click sign up. Once you click, you'll see multiple login options. I recommend using your Google account. It's easy. They'll ask you to choose your Google account, then click continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Check your email and paste the code here. Once verified, they'll ask for your display name. Choose your name, then select a username. Next, upload a profile picture. This is optional, but recommended. I'll go with an avatar. Now it's time to join your first Whop. I recommend joining your first Whop, but you can join any other Whop you like. Then click next, and you're in. This is the homepage of Whop. Here you'll see all your joined Whops combined in one place. This is your search bar where you can look for anything. Then there's the homepage, the Discover section, and more. This is where the magic begins. Here we are inside the Discover tab. This is the Discover section, and it's a powerful place where you can see tons of posts. Through this section, you can actually earn a lot of money. Take a look at this post. They've uploaded it looking for creators. They have an unlimited budget and want faceless content. If you're a video editor, have a social media profile, or can bring viewers to your videos, this is for you. Just upload your content here and you'll get paid. If you're not interested in one post, simply scroll down and explore more. Choose whatever you like. This is the messages section where you can chat with people you're connected with. Here's the notification bar where you'll see updates and alerts. This is where you can create your own Whop if you want to sell something. As shown in the Discover tab, others have created their own Whops. You can do the same. Let's join a Whop. Click on a post, then tap Join Whop. It may take a moment to load. Once it's done, click Open Whop, and you're now inside the Whop. To start earning, click on the Content Rewards section. You'll see two main options. Submit your earnings. Whenever you get paid, submit a screenshot here. Content Rewards. They're offering up to $10,000 to one winner. Check the Content Rewards section carefully. You'll find brand requirements, what they want from your content. If you meet the requirements, this is for you. They're paying more than $2 per 1,000 views, so go ahead and create your video. To submit, click Submit. Scroll down, paste your video URL. Make sure it's the original video you posted on social media. Very important, you must submit your video within 1 hour of posting it. If you don't, you won't get paid. Whop isn't just another platform. It's a powerful system built to help anyone make money online. Whether you're a creator, editor, or just getting started, Whop gives you everything you need in one place. You can sell digital products, join paid campaigns, and connect with real buyers without needing a big following, a fancy setup, or even showing your face. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and completely free to start. You don't need to worry about building a website or setting up complicated tools. Whop handles it all for you. If you want to go deeper, Whop also offers a full course that teaches you everything step by step, from setup to sales. But if you want me to explain it in a more simple and friendly way, just for you, comment part 2 and I'll upload a full guide showing exactly how to start, grow, and earn using Whop.